In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord webhook. A webhook is a simple way to let another app send messages into a Discord channel automatically, almost like a lightweight bot. Think of things like alerts from a project tool, notifications from a form, or updates from a code repository. We'll walk through the exact settings you need so those messages land in the right place. Start by opening Discord, either the desktop app or the web version, and head into the server where you want those automated messages to appear. You'll need to have permission to manage webhooks on that server. If you don't see the options I mention, an admin can grant you access. Once you're in the right server, pause for a moment and decide which text channel should receive these messages. This is important because the webhook will post only where you tell it to. Choose a channel that matches the kind of notifications you expect, like general updates or a dedicated alerts channel, so your team instantly knows what to expect. Next, open the channel's settings. In the left sidebar where your channels are listed, right-click the channel you chose and select Edit Channel. That opens the configuration panel for just that channel, which is exactly where Discord keeps the tools for integrations. Inside the channel settings, look at the left menu and click Integrations. Then select Webhooks. This is the hub where you can see existing webhooks for that channel and create new ones. It's designed to keep everything related to automated posting in one place, which makes it easy to review or adjust later. Now, create your webhook. Click Create Webhook or New Webhook. Give it a clear, descriptive name so anyone on your team can tell what it's for at a glance, like GitHub alerts or form notifications. You can also set a custom avatar. This doesn't affect functionality, but it helps visually separate automated posts from regular user messages, which makes busy channels easier to scan. Finally, confirm the channel where this webhook should post. If you changed your mind, you can switch it here. You can always come back and rename it or update the avatar as your needs evolve. That's it. You've created a Discord webhook that's ready to receive messages from an external service. Keep your naming consistent. Choose logical channels, and you'll keep notifications clear and useful for everyone on your server. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.